It's Sunday evening. The weekend's over. You're staring at your calendar for the next 7 days and you realize you have back-to-back meetings from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., then kids pickups, household duties, and you take a deep breath and think, I just need a break, a real one. But most women who dream about a sabbatical stop at the dream. Because when they sit down and calculate what a year off costs, the number feels impossible. When you decide to fund your own sabbatical, you have to shift your mindset. You are becoming your own investor. So we have to be smart about this. So if you are figuring out how women can plan for a career break financially, or you need real financial planning for women on sabbatical in India, this is for you. Today, let's talk about how to calculate your sabbatical corpus. Saving for a sabbatical isn't like saving for retirement. You are saving for a period of active consumption with zero income coming in. You can't just rely on a basic savings account. That is why life insurance may be one of the options worth considering, depending on needs, risk appetite, and product suitability. First, let's be real about the numbers. Planning a 12-month sabbatical in India typically needs a corpus that covers 3 things: monthly living expenses for the full break period, continued EMI payments on any outstanding loans, and an emergency buffer of at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. For a woman earning 20 lakhs annually in a metro city, this typically amounts to 15 to 20 lakhs at minimum, before any income from the sabbatical activity itself. When looking at how to save money for a career break in India, women typically plan for the wrong amount. They calculate living expenses only, ignoring EMIs and the emergency buffer. They also end up choosing a product that doesn't address the needs of their financial profile or life stage, ultimately leaving them unprepared for a financial emergency. This ignores 2 critical gaps: life cover during the sabbatical itself, and what happens to their insurance when they leave employment. A savings plan that doesn't include life cover means if something goes wrong during the sabbatical, the family has no protection and the sabbatical corpus gets consumed by liabilities. You need a financial tool that balances risk and growth. Let's talk about the hidden trap. Your employer's group life and health insurance ends on your last working day, exactly as with a job change. The difference with a sabbatical is that you may not have a new employer activating coverage on day 30. You could be without cover for 6 to 12 months or longer. This is why you need an independent plan, a balanced approach combining growth potential with guaranteed support. This is where ABSLI's Her Insurance comes in. These independent plans are uniquely designed to act as your complementary salary. Let's look at exactly how you can choose the right one for your time off. So how do we build this? How you should plan the finances for your sabbatical depends on your timeline. If your sabbatical is within 3 years, you want absolute rock-solid certainty before you take time off. For you, there is the ABSLI Nishchit Ayush plan. Nishchit means guaranteed. It is a guaranteed income plan that provides predictable, regular payouts. You can even pick an increasing income option where your payouts grow by 5% annually, which is a great way to make sure your sabbatical fund keeps up with inflation while you're traveling or studying. For a woman whose sabbatical is imminent, the certainty of knowing exactly how much she will receive and when allows her to budget the career break with precision, with no market risk. Now, maybe your dream sabbatical is a long-term goal. You're planning to take a year off 5 to 10 years from now. Because you have time on your side, you can pursue an investment with higher returns alongside protection. That's where the ABSLI Param Suraksha plan gives you a wealth-building edge. It is a ULIP that allows the corpus to grow through market-linked returns in the accumulation phase. Here is the magic part for a sabbatical. Once your year off officially begins, you can utilize the systematic withdrawal facility to draw regular amounts from your accumulated wealth, essentially creating your own monthly salary while you're away from the office. It also acts as a health and life shield. The addition of a women-specific critical illness rider ensures that your sabbatical isn't interrupted by an unforeseen health event, keeping your recovery or growth on track. You also have a third option, the ABSLI Akshaya plan. This plan is designed for the woman who wants both regular rewards and long-term stability. This is a middle path that is an ideal tool for building a second income that can sustain you during a sabbatical. Regular income payouts and declared cash bonuses create a dual benefit that becomes a reliable financial bridge during your year off. You get flexible income options, choosing between long-term income and whole life income. For a sabbatical, the long-term income option is suited because it can be timed to provide a steady stream of funds exactly when your active salary stops. Plus, it gives you a short protection. While you are focusing on your passion or rest, the plan provides comprehensive life cover, ensuring your family's security remains intact even while you are not earning. It is suited for women who want to start building toward a sabbatical while also receiving some current financial reward. Let's break down the exact financial planning for women on sabbatical in India. Take Aditi, a 35-year-old senior analyst in Mumbai, earning 20 lakh, planning a 12-month break. Here is the 3-step calculation. Step 1. Monthly living expenses during the sabbatical multiplied by the number of months. That is your living corpus. Step 2. Add all EMI obligations for the sabbatical period, like a home loan, car loan, or personal loan that continue regardless. Step 3. Add a 3 to 6 month emergency buffer on top. And the total is your minimum sabbatical corpus required. Planning a career break within ABSLI's Her Insurance framework is the ultimate sabbatical partner. It offers both near-term and long-term sabbatical corpus building options. It supports your independence. These plans are built around you, recognizing that a woman's professional journey is completely unique and deserves independent financial support. By having your own independent plan, your life and health protection remains seamless regardless of your employment status. Most importantly, it normalizes the pivot. When you have a guaranteed or regular income setup, it removes the scarcity mindset that stops so many of us from taking the breaks we desperately need. Now, let's answer a few common questions. What happens to my employer health and life insurance when I take a sabbatical? Both end on your last working day. IRDAI's Group Term Life Insurance Guidelines confirm that employer-provided group cover ceases on the date of cessation of employment. Unlike a job change, where a new employer's policy typically activates within 30 to 90 days, a sabbatical may leave you without any group cover for 6 to 12 months or longer. Having your own plan under the Her Insurance suite ensures your cover stays in force throughout the sabbatical, regardless of employment status. Should I use a ULIP or a guaranteed income plan to build my sabbatical corpus? It depends on your sabbatical timeline. If your career break is under 3 years away, a guaranteed income plan like ABSLI's Nishchit Ayush plan provides predictable payouts with no market risk, which makes sabbatical budgeting precise. And if your sabbatical is 5 to 10 years away, a ULIP like ABSLI Param Suraksha allows the corpus to grow through market-linked returns during the accumulation phase. Can I use my sabbatical fund for a career pivot or new business startup instead of a break? Yes, the corpus you build is yours to use as your financial needs evolve. A guaranteed income plan provides regular payouts you can redirect toward a startup's early operating costs. A ULIP's systematic withdrawal facility allows you to draw a regular amount from your accumulated corpus each month, functioning as a self-salary during a business building phase. Your career is a long journey. Please don't be afraid to take the scenic route once in a while. Secure your funds, protect your journey, and give yourself the ultimate luxury, the time to become the best version of yourself. If you want to look at the math for your own sabbatical fund, I've put a link in the description to explore these Her Insurance plans. Run the numbers. See what your year off could look like.